What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could rewire your brain to attract more money and abundance into your life? Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to Wealth Mindset, the place where we reshape thinking and unlock your true financial potential. If you're ready to break free from scarcity thinking and embrace abundance, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because you don't want to miss the tools we share every week to help you grow mentally and financially. Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into how simple words can build massive wealth. Daily affirmations are short, positive statements that you repeat to yourself each day. They're designed to shift your mindset and focus your thoughts on what you want to achieve. By repeating them consistently, you begin to internalize those beliefs. Over time, they help create a foundation of self-worth and possibility. Daily affirmations work by rewiring your brain. When you repeat empowering messages, your brain forms new neural pathways. These new patterns begin to override old, limiting beliefs. It's like reprogramming your internal compass to point towards success. Science backs it up. Neuroscience shows that the brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. When you repeat something often enough, your brain believes it's true. That's how affirmations start to shape your experience. Affirmations aren't just words, they carry emotion. When you say them with feeling, they create momentum in your spirit. Emotions fuel motivation and action. That's why affirmations can change not only how you think, but how you move through life. When affirmations focus on abundance, they shift your mindset to attract wealth. You start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles. You believe in your ability to create financial freedom. That's when the real magic begins. Did you know that about 95% of your financial decisions are made by your subconscious mind? Most of the time, we operate on autopilot, shaped by the beliefs we've held for years. These patterns run deep, and often, we don't even realize they're guiding us. That's why real change has to start beneath the surface. Limiting beliefs are like invisible chains holding us back. Thoughts like "I'll never be wealthy" or "I'm bad with money" sneak into our subconscious and become self-fulfilling. But the great news is, affirmations can help rewrite those internal stories. One sentence at a time, we replace fear with belief. When we both speak and visualize affirmations, we send a double signal to the brain. This makes them stick more deeply in our subconscious. It's like drawing a map and then walking the path. Combining words with images is a powerful method to lock in belief. Like waves shaping a shoreline, repetition shapes your beliefs. When you hear empowering messages daily, they become your new reality. Affirmations, practiced over time, begin to feel natural and true. This is how you slowly reprogram your subconscious. What you believe is what you attract. If you believe in abundance, you'll walk with confidence and see new opportunities everywhere. Your subconscious mind begins filtering for success. That's the power of aligning belief with your goals. When crafting affirmations, always begin with "I am" or "I attract." These phrases are powerful because they put you in the driver's seat of your life. You're not hoping for wealth, you're claiming it. That small shift in language makes a massive difference in energy. Use present tense in your affirmations. Instead of saying "will be wealthy," say "I am wealthy." Your subconscious mind responds to the now. It acts on the belief that it's already happening. Claim your abundance like it already exists. Keep your affirmations positive and crystal clear. Say what you want, not what you don't. For example, "I am financially free" is much more effective than "I am not in debt." Focus guides your future, so point your words toward your desires. Add emotion to your affirmations. The more feeling you bring, the more powerful they become. Say it with joy, with fire, with confidence. When your heart is behind the words, they start to work faster. Make your affirmations personal and aligned with your financial goals. Whether you're saving for your dream home, building a business, or investing for freedom, make your words match your mission. Custom affirmations make your journey more meaningful. They turn vague dreams into a clear vision. The best times to practice affirmations are in the morning and right before bed. These are moments when your subconscious mind is most open to suggestion. In the morning, affirmations set your intention for the day. At night, they plant seeds for tomorrow. Saying affirmations while looking in the mirror is a game changer. It creates a deeper emotional connection with your words. When you look into your own eyes and speak with belief, something shifts. You begin to truly see yourself as the version you're becoming. Writing your affirmations every day strengthens your focus. Putting pen to paper makes the experience more real and intentional. It also connects your thoughts with physical action. This daily ritual builds momentum in your belief system. Set reminders to keep affirmations top of mind throughout the day. Use phone alarms, sticky notes, or wallpapers with your words. Little visual cues help reprogram your thoughts on the go. They're simple but powerful tools to stay aligned. Pair affirmations with deep breathing or meditation for even greater impact. A calm mind absorbs words more deeply. As your body relaxes, your subconscious opens up. This combination turns affirmation into transformation. I am a magnet for money and abundance. When you say this, imagine wealth drawn to you like metal to a magnet. You're not chasing it, it's chasing you. This affirmation helps you feel worthy of receiving. Wealth flows into my life easily and effortlessly. Picture it like a river of gold gently moving through your life. There's no struggle, no force, just natural flow. This affirmation reminds you that abundance can come with ease. I deserve to be financially free. This is about permission, giving yourself the right to receive and thrive. You're not asking the world for approval. You're claiming your worth. Freedom starts with self-acceptance. My income is constantly increasing. Say this with belief and momentum. Your financial growth is not stagnant, it's always rising. Like a mountain you're climbing. Each step builds on the last. Opportunities to grow my wealth are everywhere around me. This opens your eyes to abundance in places you've overlooked. When you believe this, you begin to notice doors you never saw before. Prosperity becomes part of your perspective. Meet a freelancer who once doubted her ability to earn. She started using affirmations daily, saying, "I attract high-paying clients." In just 3 months, her income tripled. What changed? Her belief came first, results followed. A young professional was drowning in debt and stress. She created daily affirmations like, "I manage my money wisely," and "I am in control." Alongside a clear budget, her mindset shifted. Within a year, she became debt-free and financially calm. An entrepreneur felt stuck and couldn't scale his business. He started repeating, "I am a successful CEO," and "I lead with purpose." With daily repetition, his thinking shifted, and so did his strategy. Within months, profits doubled and leadership felt natural. Many viewers report experiencing changes after just 30 days of daily affirmations. 1 month of belief can start rewiring your mind. It doesn't take years to change, it takes consistency. That's the real secret behind transformation. One of the greatest transformations people share is how affirmations reduce financial anxiety. Instead of panic, they feel clarity and control. Confidence replaces fear, and opportunities seem more visible. Affirmations don't just change your bank account, they change your peace of mind. The first mistake is being too vague. Saying, "I want money," doesn't give your brain a clear goal to focus on. Affirmations should be specific and empowering. Try something like, "I attract $10,000 through aligned opportunities." Consistency matters. Saying an affirmation once a week won't rewire your brain. Daily repetition builds momentum and turns new beliefs into your default setting. Make it a habit, not a hope. If you don't believe what you're saying, your mind will reject it. Start with affirmations that feel realistic and expand over time. Belief grows in steps, not leaps. Say what you can believe today and evolve it as your mindset strengthens. Another common mistake is using negative language. Saying, "I am not poor," still focuses your mind on poverty. Instead, reframe it to, "I'm attracting financial abundance." Always speak what you want, not what you're trying to escape. Affirmations alone are not enough, they must be followed by action. The words plant the seed, but your effort waters it. Take inspired steps that match your mindset. That's how affirmations create real change. Daily affirmations are more than just words, they're the foundation of a wealthy mindset. When you repeat them with consistency and belief, you reprogram how you think and feel about money. You're not just wishing for change, you're speaking it into existence. This is how financial transformation begins. If you found value today, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to change their money story. You never know who might need this spark of inspiration. Help spread the power of affirmation to those on their journey. Let's grow together as a community. What's your favorite wealth affirmation? Or maybe you're just getting started. Either way, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear how affirmations are shaping your journey. Let's lift each other up with positivity. You've been watching Wealth Mindset, where we believe in the power of a wealthy mindset. Until next time, keep affirming, keep believing, and watch how your wealth rises with your words. This is just the beginning. Let your voice become your wealth.